Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this HUAWEI. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Apps section. In it, select App Twin and tap on the sweater next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone, in my case Snapchat. Now wait a couple of seconds and click on Home button. Now when I try to look for my Snapchat, I can see that this app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete one of your cloned apps, you need to access exactly the same settings and click on the same No Blue sweater. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!